Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my experience with the Sunny&Honey Carpet Miracle. The very first thing that I noticed was the scent of it. When you open it up, the scent is not overpowering at all. Now, I got this in spring mint. I wouldn't say that it's necessarily minty, but it's not florally either, but it's a nice, fresh smell. And then once you dilute it and use it in your carpet cleaner, it's there, but it's just barely noticeable. This rug sees a lot of traffic and a lot of dirt and a lot of hair and a lot of odors. So I do have a Bissell carpet cleaner, and this is compatible for all carpet cleaners. It recommends testing for color fastness first, so I did do that. I pre-treated an area that we normally have under the couch, and the color stayed just fine, so I knew it was safe to start to use. You also have the option to pre-treat tough stains and spots with this by adding a squirt gun. I wouldn't say that my carpet looks brand new. Face it, it's 3 years old, and as I said, we've got animals and kids in this house. I'm never expecting a brand new look, but it definitely looks refreshed, and I am more than happy with this cleaner. I appreciate the light scent and that it does what it says it's going to do. It deodorizes. This carpet had a smell coming from it before, no more. I am so happy that my house doesn't smell like wet dog anymore. So if you're looking for a great pet-friendly cleaner solution, then Sunny&Honey makes a great one that I would definitely recommend. And that's my point of view.